Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again my DJ fans. Today we are going to know about some insects. Number 1. Butterfly. A butterfly is an insect with 4 distinctive wings that are often brightly colored and patterned. They have a unique life cycle that involves a metamorphosis from a caterpillar to an adult butterfly. Butterflies play an important role in pollination and are a symbol of beauty and transformation in many cultures. Number 2. Bee. Bees are important bugs. They help plants grow by moving pollen. Honeybees live together. They make honey and wax. Bumblebees have smaller homes. Some bees live alone. Bees grow from eggs. They talk with dancers. Bees really help plants and us.